So next step, we are going to drill the 11 millimeter hole for the clamping screw. For this we're gonna pre-drill briefly with a spot drill and then drill with the 11 millimeter drill. The drilling depth will be 90 millimeter. Unfortunately, our quill only have a stroke of 70 millimeters, so we will drill as far as we can and then drill the rest from the other side. So now we successfully and pain-free drilled the 11 millimeter hole. Now we have to mill it down for about 4 millimeters. Those two steps or recess will be left over, and this whole surface here will be milled down for 4 millimeter. So now that I don't have to drill for hours like the last time, I'm gonna drill a series of 10 millimeter holes, and if that is useful or not, well, at least for the next time we will know it, and you too. Now for the remaining 4 millimeter, we clamped in a 20 millimeter carbide roughing mill cutter with thick cutting edges. And now we will see how he behaves in comparison to the HSS milling cutter. Well, in comparison to the HSS mill, we can reef higher, but he cuts through the steel like a hot knife through butter. Not that bad. What we previously needed hours with the HSS milling cutter, it now takes a few minutes with the carbide milling cutter. Well, they are worth their money. That also means we can take much more coffee breaks. Now let's see how our ground plate fits. Oh well, yeah, that's okay. A little bit of slack, that's okay. For our purposes, that's okay. Now we just need to mill down this piece in the middle, and then we are finished with this side and can turn around. So, and it goes on. First we finish the 11 millimeter hole for the clamping screw, and then one by one we will drill and cut the M7 holes, the M7 threads for the fastening screws. And of course we chamfer it before we cut the thread. Well, it seems that we lined up with the hole from the other side very exactly. Well, it is incredible, but somebody marked it wrong. They probably thought we didn't realize and drilled it wrong, but we noticed in time.